What it do, YouTube? I'm coming today with a barber's tutorial. This is for beginners only. All right, now first you want to get that open guard open, and all the way lever open, and create that first guideline. Make sure the guard is all the way open. You want to go up a half an inch. Well, me, I went up a whole inch. So now you want to create that line. Make sure that line is nice and even. This is for my beginners only, man. Now I'm finna get my two guard. I'm throwing on my two guard right now. And after I do with that, I'm removing the bolt with that two guard. The lever is all the way closed. Well, let me see. Yes, the lever is all the way closed. Removing that bolt, as you guys can see. So you can see the line more better. And it can be knocked out more efficiently. Now you're gonna get that line out. Make sure you go around the whole head, the back of it. Now you wanna line it up. I had skipped some parts. Sorry about that. I already had did the blending, as you guys can see. I didn't get my zero guard and knock half of that middle line out. I will be going back into it. But this is for my beginners only. Yes, I'm getting that line crispy. Get it right. Now, for that bottom line, I will be knocking that out with the Annis T-liner. See that line nice and crispy? You can see that line gone. I used that the zero guard. I forgot to show that part. Now I'm creating another line. As I create that line, I will get my other clippers and I will blend that in so it can be a good sufficiently fade for beginners only. Now you see that middle line is gone. Now I am removing that bottom line with the T-liner. Going up, only knocking that bottom line out. Only touch that bottom line. Hope you guys are having a blessed day, man. Leave a like too. If you're still watching this video until then. You see it look a little crooked, I will come back and fix that up. I'll be fixing that up right now. So I'm trying to get that, okay. We're gonna put this line in. Boom, 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 boom. Getting nice and crispy. And on them clippers, I have some one hitters on them T Outliner GTXs Pro. Make sure you want to go back over it, make sure it be crispy. Okay. This is for my beginners only, man. Real barbers be advised. I'm making this video for beginners. I will be making a haircut tutorial for my expert barbers also. That's been in that field for a long time. This is for my barbers that's trying to become a barber. That's want to learn how to cut hair. This is for you guys, okay. I'm knocking that line out on that left side. As you can see, I'm trying to erase that line. Make sure you guys have a blessed day, man. Leave a like, thumbs up. Keep God in your prayers, man, at all times. In Jesus' name, I'm finna catch y'all. Catch y'all. Alright.